Yeah.
All right, so on a different camera, we are here at our lookout, just kind of looking things over, taking a little break, and it's State Route 22. We're pretty much in North Granville right now, and that direction's Hartford, Argyle, then over that way there, somewhere in that area, Hudson Falls, Kingsbury, that area, Glens Falls. I'm guessing where all that haze is at the base of that mountain is probably Lake George area. There's a lot of haze right there today with the overcast. I'm guessing that's probably a portion of Lake George over in there for sure. Wish it was clearer, but it's not, so we will return. We will be back. So I'll be back in a little bit on the other camera. Back to taking a break.